Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the vlog. This is raw and real content. I just woke up. I had a horrible time sleeping last night. I don't know if it's because I knew the movers was coming today, or what. Just I did not like decompress and rest before going to bed. I can't like just go to bed. But anyway, long story short, it's movers day. The movers are coming this morning to pack up our house. So it's packing day, and I got a few things I need to do real quick. I need to fold up their temporary bedding and put it in this closet, and then get them some breakfast before the movers get here. So come on along with us. Welcome back to it. Say it again. Say it again. Welcome back to my channel. The kids about to eat some breakfast real quick, so they can at least have them fed before the movies get here. And I am last minute washing their mattress covers because I wanted to bleach them before they got packed up, so I'm washing them. Yeah. So just a quick overview of everything. We just pretty much was cleaning, washing everything yesterday, pulling out stuff. That's my jewelry business and stuff like that.